Hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be face modeling for a bridal makeup tutorial. The makeup artist that is going to be performing this look is Estes Glam on Facebook. I'm not a bride, I'm only, at least not yet, I'm only the face model for this look. So first things first, she goes ahead to moisturize my face. The next thing she does is to apply some primer on my face and rub it in and blend it in very well until it blends in completely. The next one is the foundation, which she applies generously on my face and of course goes on to pat that down until it is completely blended in. Next, she goes ahead to apply some concealer on the necessary areas, which of course she goes on to pat that down and for it to blend in. Then she goes ahead to set this in the shade Sweet Honey. The next thing she does is to apply some blush on my cheekbones or on my cheekbones, anyone, on both sides of my face. Then she goes ahead to define my nose and, corners of my eyes to make it look good. I don't really know much about makeup, but I think this is the part where she cuts my crease. Cutting off crease, I think that's what it's called. Then she goes ahead with some eyeshadow to give some dimension and color to my eyes, my eyelids. And then she goes ahead to do some eyeliner, to line my eyes with eyeliner. And then goes ahead to put on this beautiful glitter on my eyelids. I really love the glitter, it looked beautiful. And then of course she goes ahead to do the nice beautiful lip combo. I really love this lip combo that she did on me. Don't mind me at this point because my best friend was around, so both she and the makeup artist, they were just, being funny and cracking me up. The next thing she did was to apply some lip gloss on my lips to bring the look to life. Then she went ahead to do my brows. She lined it first, then she went ahead to fill it in. Then she went ahead to conceal my apply some concealer on my eyebrows to define the brows. And then she went ahead to apply the false lashes on my eyes. This was my first time wearing false lashes, and this is an honest first reaction to wearing lashes. It felt funny, like I felt like I had like some hood over my eyes, so I thought it was funny. But anyways, moving on, then she goes ahead to apply mascara on my lashes. Then she applies some finishing touches, and yes, that is it. This is the final look. This is the final result. I look absolutely beautiful. I love the look. What do you think of this look? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also, this is me reaching out, using this opportunity to reach out to brands. I am open to being your face model or being your model, and I am willing to work with you. So hit me up, send a message to my business email address, and let me be your muse. You can send a message to my Facebook, my Instagram, or my TikTok, or my email address. They're all in the description box down below, or in the about section of my YouTube channel. Thank you. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate. Like, subscribe, and comment and share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you.